What's up, Cooking is Amazing family? Today, as you can probably see by the ingredients here, we're doing mac and cheese. We're doing it homemade and we're gonna bake it Southern style. Stay tuned, you're gonna love this. All right, folks, we're fixing to get started with our recipe for our mac and cheese, but before that, I just want to say thank you for all my new subscribers out there, and I want to say a big shout out to Cook You Bastards. Thank you for all your advice that you've given me and everything I've learned from you. I really appreciate it. It's helped my channel grow tremendously. Everybody go check him out. It's Cook You Bastards. I'll put a link down in the description below so you can go check him out. Also, hit that subscribe button. It's right over here. It's the red one. Hit it hard, smash it, and give us a thumbs up. Also, let us know some comments if you have any. Let us know what you think about the recipes. We'd love to hear from you, and I will reply back. You will get a personal reply from me. Let's get started with this recipe. Okay, so I have water on the stove boiling. Well, getting ready to come to a boil so I can cook my macaroni. But while that's going, I've also got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce. So in the sauce, we got 4 eggs. And I will always crack my eggs into another bowl before I add them to my recipe. Just in case I get shell in there, I want to be able to see it and get it out. Just like I just did. Right on cue. Okay, 4 eggs in the bowl. We got all the shells out of them. Now we're going to need a couple things to stir this with. I'm going to use a whisk. And then once I get it all incorporated with my whisk, then I'll go to a spoon once I add my cheese. So eggs in the bowl. Now I want to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to use white pepper. I prefer that. That way that it doesn't shine through in the mac and cheese. You don't see all the black flakes everywhere. I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. Teaspoon of sugar. Alright, now we're going to add in some heavy cream. And my heavy cream, the way I can get it is in this little pint size little carton. And I'm adding in 2 of those. It's a little half a pint carton, so I'm adding 1 pint total of heavy cream. Alright, now we get rid of the whisk, make a mess. And this is 16 ounces of a medium sharp cheddar. And my kids love having cheese in it, so I'm going to make it extra cheesy for them. Alright, so that's our mix. And now when our macaroni gets done, we're going to add that to this bowl. And then we're going to bake it up. So our mac and cheese noodles are ready to go. It's just elbow macaroni. And we cooked this to a perfect al dente. And that is not crunchy, okay? A lot of people think al dente, they think, oh, that's got some crunch in it. No, that's wrong. You don't want crunch, you want chew. You want to be able to chew and eat it. You don't want it to crunch. So that's where we took this to, because it's going to cook more while it's in the oven. We're going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 35-40 minutes. So you don't want it to be 100% done. All right, noodles are done. Let's add them to the mixture without spilling them everywhere, preferably. Now, just mix that in nice and smooth. All right, once you get it nice and incorporated, all the cheese kind of mixed evenly throughout the entire bowl with the noodles and all the other ingredients. Now we want to add it to the pan. Now while we were waiting on the noodles to get done, I went ahead and buttered this dish that I'm going to put the mac and cheese in. So buttered all over, so now we're just going to pour in our mixture. Spread it all around good, make it nice and even. Now, more cheese right over the top. Alright, that's spread around nice. It's time to go in the oven. Alright, time is up. We actually only gave this thing about 25 minutes and I think it is ready to go, so let's get it out of the oven. Oh my Lord, good gracious, that looks amazing. Get you a look at that. Ooh-wee. We're going to let that cool off for just a second, and we're going to have to plate that up and get a bite. Alright, let's get some of this mac and cheese and give it a taste. Oh my god, that cheese on top just so crunchy. I'm going to bring this in so y'all can just kind of see what it looks like on the inside under all that cheese. That's what it created. Let's try it. Oh, it's going to be hot. It's going to be hot. Oh, God. Wow. That is awesome. Spot on. Listen, thank y'all for watching. I'm going to put the recipe on my website. There'll be a link to that in the description below if you want to get this recipe and you want to try to make it for yourself. I'm going to be honest with you. This is the very first time I have ever made a homemade macaroni and cheese, and it turned out awesome. I ran with a few ideas that I saw and some from what I've had in the past, and it came out beautiful. If y'all haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave us a comment below, let us know what y'all think of the content. We love hearing from you, and from my family to yours, as always, love y'all, God bless, thank you for watching.